life devoted to public service is a life of complete dedication to one's community and one's nation. There are many who have chosen this path, and for their outstanding work, these public servants will be recognized in the 2015 National Honors and Awards. Here are some of those who were selected. Ambassador Derek Heaven, Chairman of the Board of Directors at the Jamaica Cane Product Sales JCPS, and former Executive Chairman of the Sugar Industry Authority, is one of the most respected voices in sugar on the global stage. He was previously awarded the Order of Distinction Commander Class CD in 1999 and in 2015 received the Order of Jamaica OJ for distinguished service in the public sector and sterling leadership provided to the sugar industry. Ambassador Carl Marshall has served Jamaica nationally and internationally. He was High Commissioner for Jamaica to Canada from 2003 to 2006, High Commissioner for Jamaica to Nigeria from 2000 to 2003, Member of Parliament Clarendon Northwestern, Speaker of the House of Representatives and Parliamentary Secretary. He receives the Order of Distinction Commander Class for outstanding contribution to public service both locally and internationally. Carol Palmer, current Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Justice, also served in that same capacity between 2002 and 2009. As a Justice of the Peace, she has over 30 years of experience in public sector management and has a wealth of knowledge about Jamaica's justice system. She receives the Order of Distinction Commander Class for distinguished public service in the health and justice sectors. Meanwhile, Senior Director Airport Operations at the Airport Authority of Jamaica, Lieutenant Commander John McFarlane, for outstanding public service and volunteerism, has received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer. There are also a number of parliamentarians past and present that are being honored for their service to the people of Jamaica. Among them, former Minister of Health Attorney at Law John Jr., who receives the Order of Distinction Commander Class for service to the legal profession, Parliament and public. Also receiving the Order of Distinction Commander Class is the current Minister of Tourism and Member of Parliament for Western Westmoreland, the Honourable Dr. Wickham McNeil, for over 20 years of distinguished service to Parliament. So too is Fitz Jackson, Member of Parliament for South St. Catherine. Former Minister of Culture Olivia Babsy Grange is receiving the Order of Distinction Commander Class for her contribution to the Jamaican music industry, cultural development and public service. These are just some public servants of the 223 outstanding Jamaicans who will be honored on Heroes Day 2015 at the National Honors and Awards ceremony at King's House, all shaping Jamaica positively through their invaluable contribution to nation building.